on the plate was the food, and the food from the hole, and the hole from the farm, and the green grass grew all around.
I'm Paolo Piosca from First Asia Institute of Technology and Humanities. I'm here to demonstrate to you how to cook garlic cheddar chicken. Garlic cheddar chicken is from Italy. Our ingredients for garlic cheddar chicken are 2 tablespoons butter, garlic, breadcrumbs, shredded cheddar cheese, parsley, of course the chicken, salt and pepper to taste. We have to chop the garlic into mince. Then, in a pan, we put the butter. Then we wait until it melts. Then, we add the garlic. We have to cook this until 5 minutes. Up to 5 minutes. We have to make it tender. Okay, now we are finished on our first step. Next is, in a shallow bowl, we just mix breadcrumbs, the parsley, salt and pepper, and the cheddar cheese. After mixing all the ingredients, the next is we have to put the chicken on the garlic bread that we cooked earlier. We just have to coat it with garlic. Then in the breadcrumbs mixture. And into the baking dish. But first, we have to preheat the oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Okay, we're done. We just have to heat it in our oven up to 30 minutes. Let's go! And it's done. We have just to wait up to 30 minutes. Now the wait is over. It's finally cooked. Our garlic cheddar chicken. Here. Let's have a taste. Sarap! Bye!